Good day, fit and healthy family. Good day. So, this video is for my client Laura. She had asked me about making a salad. She mentioned that she watched a video that I made where I made a salad for somebody who's 300 pounds, and she was like, wait, that's too much salad for me. So, this is an answer for that issue. So, typically, what I recommend is that people use the amount of salad greens that is in grams is equal to your body weight. So if you weigh 300 pounds, I recommend that you use 300 grams of salad greens. But if you're, a 150 pound or 170 pound woman, then you can use, 150 grams or 170 grams of salad greens. It really, doesn't matter too much. It's just that the purpose of the salad greens is to help you to get so full and load up on micronutrients that you won't want to snack on things like butter cookies. So, yeah, this is the salad greens I'm going to use today. This is a salad kit, and it has a little bit of broccoli in there, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, chicory, dried cranberries, pumpkin seeds, and poppy seed dressing. Now, I'm not going to use the dressing. I'm not going to use the pumpkin seeds this time, and I may leave out the dried cranberries. I need to check the calorie count. But if the packet contains these two together, I'm definitely going to leave those out because look at this, okay? Look at the nutrition facts on this. So this is 170 calories per serving. There are 3.5 servings in this container. So the total is 170 times 3. That means that there are 33 grams of fat in here. That is a ton of fat, you guys, for some salad. It's ridiculous. And most of it is in that dressing and in those pumpkin seeds. Okay, the carbs, it would be 17 times 3. Okay, so 51 grams of carbs in this salad if you eat the whole container with that dressing. And then protein, you'd get 9 grams of protein, which is a good thing. Protein is good, but we really don't need, 50 grams of carbs and 33 grams of fat. That's just a lot of energy. So usually when I get these salad kits, I, throw the dressing in the garbage and just use, everything else. I probably won't use the pumpkin seeds today. So let me put this together and I'll show you guys how this is looking. Okay, everybody, so I emptied the salad greens into the bowl and it came out to about 231 or 230 grams. So that's all I need. Yeah, it's more than what I weigh. I'm definitely nowhere near 230 pounds anymore, thank goodness. But yeah, this is what I'm going to eat. And the purpose for eating 230 grams of this greenery is to keep me from wanting to eat cookies and Doritos and other snack foods that, just kind of load you up with calories but don't give you any nutrition, and they contribute to belly fat storage. So that's the greenery from that salad kit. And then this is how the pumpkin seeds and cranberries came. So I'm not going to use this. This is just a lot of extra carb and fat calories. And so I may put this to the side, and in a cheap meal or something, I'll save this and throw it in there when I have the calories for it, but not today. Okay, and here's the salad dressing packet. Again, probably about, 25 grams of fat in this, full of calories. I don't need this. This is going in the garbage because I don't know, I don't know what's in this. More than likely, I got to look back at the package. It may have margarine in it. Let me check that. Hang on. Okay, everybody, so I looked at the package and look at the ingredients here. The dressing, soybean oil, i.e. margarine, and or canola oil, margarine. Soybean oil and canola oil are very inflammatory, you guys. You want to run from this stuff, okay? These are the cheap oils that the food industry is putting into ultra processed foods like this salad dressing. You want to, if you're going to add a little oil to your salad, add a little 2 or 3 second spray of some olive oil or some avocado oil, something that's not inflammatory. And if you have any questions about, healthy oils to use, please just contact me. All right, so yeah, I'm going to throw the dressing away because it's margarine based. And this I'm going to put to the side. I'm not using this today. And then I'm going to add a couple of things. I'm going to add some other veggies, and I'll show you what I'm adding. All right, so first I added some chopped red onion and some chopped up peeled and de-seeded Roma tomato. Okay, so added that. Okay, you guys, and I also added this some red pepper that I cut up and some cucumber that I cut up. So there is chopped red onion, maybe like an ounce, quarter cup. And then about a half cup of chopped Roma tomato. There's some cucumber in there and some red pepper. Okay, you guys, so what I've added is a little bit of this everything but the bagel seasoning and some garlic powder. And I juiced a whole lemon. Here's the smashed up juiced lemon. I juiced a whole lemon over it, and I added a little bit of the monk fruit sweetener, 0 calories, to just balance out the lemon. And I'm going to get my little salad tosser and toss this, and I'll add lean protein, either salmon, which is good, or I recommend you guys try some tuna, or you can just do the old-fashioned tuna, okay? But the point is to get the tuna in water. Don't get the tuna in oil, because typically it's those same inflammatory oils that I threw away in that dressing packet. Soybean and canola and all that junk. You don't need that in your life, okay? So yeah, I hope this helps you, Laura. All I did is take a couple 100 grams of some salad greens and added a whole peeled and de-seeded cucumber, a quarter of a chopped up red pepper, maybe a quarter cup of some chopped red onion, and a half a cup of chopped tomato. And I'm going to toss this and add some lean protein, and that will be a meal or two, depending on how you feel when you eat this. Some people can eat this whole salad all in one sitting. Others, it's too much, and they need to eat a little bit for one meal and a little bit for the next. Either way, this is so much better than high calorie, low volume foods like chips and cookies and all of that stuff. It's just not good for us. And also, your protein that you're going to add to this is negative calories, okay? It takes your body more calories to burn protein than it does carbs and fats. So you want to always add your lean protein to your salads, or have your lean protein with your meals, and that's going to put you in a calorie deficit to get the belly fat down. All right, hope this helps everybody, and take care. Hope this helps you, Laura. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.